You might be ruining your health without even knowing it. From the moment you wake up to the time you hit the hay, these seemingly harmless habits could be causing long-term damage to your well-being. So listen up, folks, this might apply to you. 1. Bringing your phone to bed. Using your phone in bed can cause sleep disruption. The blue light emitted by smartphones can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. With less melatonin produced, your body doesn't get the signal to wind down and get ready to rest. You're going to have a harder time falling asleep and end up tossing and turning in bed. This disrupted melatonin production can also mess with the quality of your sleep. You may experience less restorative deep sleep and more interrupted or light sleep cycles. This can leave you feeling groggy and fatigued in the morning rather than refreshed and well-rested. Chronic sleep disruption has been linked to a range of health issues, including mood disorders, cognitive impairments, and increased risk factors for conditions like obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. 2. Sitting all day. From office workers to students, from truck drivers to gamers, online content creators, painters, musicians, and yes, even you, the one spending hours in front of your screen watching YouTube. We all find ourselves sitting for extended periods, often for a variety of reasons. Prolonged sitting has been linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases. We're talking about things like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It can even lead to that pesky belly fat and weight gain. In addition, your muscles, especially in the lower back, hips, and legs, can start to get weak if you're sitting all day, every day. That's not cool. It can mess up your posture, give you back pain, and make you more prone to injuries. We can also name some other risks associated with prolonged sitting, like poor blood circulation, metabolic changes, and elevated blood pressure. And don't forget about your mental health. Sitting too much can make you feel down and anxious. 3. Biting your nails. Throughout the day, your hands come into contact with countless germs and bacteria. When you nibble on your nails, you're basically inviting these germs to the party in your mouth. That means you're not only increasing the risk of getting sick or having digestive problems, but you're also exposing the delicate skin around your nails to all these nasty bacteria, viruses, and fungi. And that can lead to those not-so-fun nail infections, complete with redness, swelling, and pus-filled blisters. But it doesn't stop there. Nail biting can also do a number on your teeth, like chipping, cracking, and teeth misalignment. Plus, it might even lead to some dental issues like bruxism, which is just a fancy word for teeth grinding. And trust me, that can result in some serious jaw pain. Let's not forget about your nail bed, the area beneath your nails. When you make a habit of biting, you're basically signing up for slow or weird nail growth. Not exactly what we're aiming for, right? Nail biting is often linked to stress, anxiety, or just plain boredom. It can become a compulsive behavior that can take a toll on your emotional well-being. So not only are there physical health risks, but there's also an emotional side to consider. 4. Playing music too loud. Here's the deal. Cranking up the volume can seriously mess with your hearing. It could result in permanent hearing issues or even complete loss. Those delicate hair cells in your inner ear, they can get harmed by the loud sounds, and here's the kicker, they're not gonna bounce back. Listening to music at high volumes can cause tinnitus. You might hear ringing, buzzing, or hissing sounds that just won't quit. Tinnitus can be temporary, but it can also become chronic and impact your quality of life. Loud music can also cause discomfort and pain in the ears, ranging from mild discomfort to downright earaches. If you listen to loud music before bedtime or in the bedroom, it can disrupt your sleep patterns and lead to sleep disturbances or insomnia. Last but not least, let's talk stress. Loud music can crank up your stress levels and make you feel more on edge. Anxiety and tension might start knocking at your door. 5. Midnight snacks. Indulging once in a while is fine, but eating too late at night on a consistent basis can disrupt your sleep patterns. Consuming a substantial meal or foods that challenge your digestive system can make both falling asleep and maintaining uninterrupted slumber more difficult. It can also compromise your digestive health, potentially leading to discomfort, bloating, and increased gas production during the night. Furthermore, late-night snacking often leads us down the rabbit hole of not-so-healthy choices. You might be more likely to reach for processed snacks, sugary treats, or high-fat foods when you're tired and hungry. This can contribute to weight gain, as your metabolism tends to slow down during sleep, so your body is less efficient at burning calories. Snacking on high sugar or carbohydrate-rich foods at night can cause your blood sugar levels to spike, followed by a crash. This can lead to cravings for more unhealthy snacks and impact your overall blood sugar control. That's a wrap for today's video, but hey, this discussion doesn't end here. Which of these habits surprised you the most, and what changes are you planning to make in your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't hesitate to pass on the knowledge and hit the subscribe button on our channel for more practical health insights.